action takers, only for action takers. I'm going to give you my niche clarity blueprints absolutely for free. I will help you to narrow down on your topic and positioning, and you can use over 500 niche clarity proven templates. Okay, and I'm going to help you make your personal clarity document. So if you want this course is actually this course actually has a value of rupees 24,447 rupees, but only for action takers in this webinar I have it just for free. If you grab the bundle of Shubhvardan business model, clicking on the link below. Your second gift is curriculum design blueprint. Now in this blueprint, I will help you to craft your tripwire and your core product, and I will tell you that how you can design impactful and immense valuable bonuses. Okay, and I'll tell you that how you can effortlessly sell all the courses. Send your videos. I'll tell you how to record, edit, and publish your videos or your courses into a platform. Now if you want this, you need to take this course, which is curriculum design blueprint. If you try buying directly from my website, it would be charging 25,497 rupees, but if you click on the link below and grab the bundle right now, you will get it absolutely for free. Your third gift is the coach blueprint, the Shubhvardan coach blueprint. Now in this blueprint, I'll give you all the insights that how you can have clients, coaching clients for one-to-one coaching without roaming around anywhere. And you know what the best thing is, I will give you the whole formula for doing powerful and impactful one-to-one sessions. And I'm going to give you the insights to build your digital product. Now you will get this only if you will invest in the Shubhvardan business model. Okay, and I'm telling you that this is the price right now would be greater when you come back tomorrow or someday or some other day, because it is automated. I can't help. Okay, till this webinar only this price is going to be the same, and after that it will change. If you don't want to miss this opportunity, grab the bundle right now. So your fourth gift is the Shubhvardan budget blueprint. Now you may have a question that, okay Vardhan, I will invest in your business model, then how much more do I need to invest in setting up all the business, setting up this online business? Now for that, I will tell you, I will manage your whole budget. I will project a 1 crore per year income, and for that I will project the whole budgeting for you. Okay, and you know what the best thing is, I will tell you how to manage your money, because more than earning money, it is important to manage money. And you know what, there is no course in the market which tells you how to manage your money, because managing money is more important. If you don't know how to manage money, you will lose all the income. Now I will give you your one-page finance plan, and I will help you to manage your money using TWCGO formula, which is tax, wealth, charity, general and operational. Okay, your fifth gift is Shubhvardan budget blueprint. If you want to grab this directly from my website, it will cost you 13,497 rupees. But if you grab it right now, click on the link below and you'll get it absolutely for free. Okay, now for the multiple streams of income, if you want to have multiple streams of income and you want to do affiliate marketing for the tools I'm using, for that I have affiliate blueprint, affiliate income blueprint. Now that how you can become a super affiliate, so that how you can easily make over $1,000 per month by just doing affiliate marketing. Isn't it amazing? If it is, then grab it right now, because if you want to take it directly from my website, it will cost you more than 20,000. But if you are getting it right now, then it is absolutely for free. Now the sixth gift I'm going to give you is the Shubhvardan Lead Gen Challenge. Now in this, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can generate leads, how you can organically generate leads. Here I'm giving you step-by-step guide to attract 100 quality leads in 10 days organically. Okay? Now if someone who is not able to generate leads, good leads, then this course will help you. Now if you try to grab it directly from my website, it will cost you over than 23,000. But if you grab this right now, I have it absolutely for free. Okay? This whole course bundle, you are getting it for 19,997 rupees. Okay, so I understand the situation now, the COVID situation. A lot of you are okay. So I understand the situation right now. All the businesses are going down. Offline businesses are going down. something more for you. Now this is a limited time action bonus. This will be only for 15 minutes, and I'm going to give you here more 4 courses: the Shubhvardan business blueprint, the funnel building formula, the internet traffic blueprint, and the Shubhvardan meetups, and the inner circle vault. Okay, now if you want these 4 courses, now let me tell you about these 4 courses. These are the 4 important courses which you need to build your knowledge business along with the ones which I have discussed previously. Okay, Shubhvardan business blueprint, you are getting the whole blueprint from the starting to end, how to start on this journey and how to end up. In the funnel building formula, I am telling you all types of funnel, about all types of templates, how you can build your landing pages and all those stuffs. And in the internet traffic blueprint, I am telling you that how you can grab the traffic, the right kind of a traffic. Okay, and in inner circle vault, we have our weekly meetings happening, and all the Q&A is recorded and been kept in the inner circle vault. So it would be a great help for you if you listen to all those recordings. Okay, you want these courses. These 4 courses would cost over than $1,000, but in this webinar special, I'm giving you absolutely for free along with the bundle right here below. Now for a limited time action bonus, I have for you a 15 minutes of, I'm going to give you the whole 11 course bundle, not for 19,997, but flat 50% off. Just for 15 minutes, I'm going to give you in 9,997. Now if you don't grab it, you will lose this opportunity, because after 15 minutes, these are all automated things. The rate will bounce back to 19,997, and I can't help it. It is all automated. Okay, now if you want to take the action, this is the last action moment for you. Now if you don't take action, you will regret for your lifetime. A super special offer, I'm giving it to you. It is only for 9,997 rupees. The link is given below. Claim the offer right now. Okay, and let me tell you, after getting this offer, you can start learning from tomorrow. And if you want, then you can start on this journey right now after getting your product. Okay, after getting your courses. Okay, and let me tell you that it is not only till here, the product, but after that, I'm going to help you. I have the whole support system for you. Okay, we have a forum happening, we have a regular meetups, we have our weekly meetups. Okay, and you can join those weekly meetups, and I have my whole group with when you will buy the product, you will get, when you will buy the course, when you will enroll in it, you will get the link to join my group, and that is a private group, and I keep on nurturing my customers or my students in that group. Okay, on a daily basis. So succeed is having the right kind of environment, and there you will get all the like-minded people who are moving in the same journey which you are starting just now after buying this course. So it's your decision. Okay, now do you want to invest this 9,997 on you, or you just want to leave this offer, or you just want to regret for your whole life? Now let me tell you that if you will take this action right now, then this day, the day you are watching this, would be a benchmark for you in your lifetime, because you will remember this, that I have invested in myself to transform my life. I've invested in a trustworthy thing. Okay, the offer, then claim it right now. Okay, now the people who are paying for my course are getting the clear-cut, precise, focus implementation to achieve whatever they desire. Okay, to achieve the phenomenal results. Now at last, let me tell you, after getting this course, the rest of my life and the rest of your life, I'm there to support you. Okay, I'm repeating this. Okay, for the rest of your life and for the rest of my life, I'm there to support you. Okay, now this will happen only if you grab the bundle right now. Now the decision is yours. Do you want to proceed in this knowledge business journey, or you just want to give it up now? The time is flowing. Okay, so now we come to an end, and if you have any queries, you can email me, connect@shubhaimd.com. Okay, and you can visit our website, that is www.shubhaimd.com. So thanks for watching till the end. Go and grab it right now. Looking forward to serving you inside my community. Cheers. God bless.